Hi. simpliRP ERP has an unique feature of production issue based on next staging processing. Here, we can see two items have been mapped for cutting operation at next stage. Now go to production issue. Fast processing. Click on the next stage processing link. There, type the next stage processing word. Here in this example, we will type cutting. It will show you all the material stock available for cutting process. You can also see the batch number or the heat number shown along with the stock. Select the item to be issued. A pop-up window will open. Enter the machine name and select machine ID. Select the next operation. Enter quantity to be issued. Select the type of material. You can also select the customer order if required. Then, click Issue for production. That's it. A new MIV has been issued. Now, when we refresh, we can see the stock has been reduced against that batch number. We can also see the production issue report with all the details. Please feel free to contact us to know about more features. Thank you.